you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanessa. If you are new here, I am a stay-at-home mom to a 7-month-old little girl, and I do lots of cleaning content, mom stuff, shopping, all that kind of thing on my channel. And today, as you can see by the title of the video, I'm going to be cleaning, and I was going to do like a nap time hustle, like how much can I get done during nap time. Clearly, absolutely nothing, because Ellie woke up like 15 minutes later, so she's just chilling, she's playing over here in the living room, so I'm going to try to get some stuff done while I'm playing with her, do some laundry, clean up the kitchen, the dogs. We just dropped the dogs off a little while ago to get a haircut, so you won't see them roaming around this video. But let's just go ahead and get started and see how much we can get done this afternoon before I have to go pick up the pups. We have laundry, we have the kitchen, you know, kind of like the same old thing. I do want to clean the dog bed before the girls get back. That way it's nice and fresh and clean, since they'll be fresh and clean. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no, 'cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true, no matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, 'cause
I made this little shelfie for Ellie for Halloween, and I think it's so cute. I've seen a lot of these on Instagram, and I don't know, I just thought it was really precious. I got these shelves from Amazon. They were like 20 bucks for all of them, and it came with 4, but I only hung 3, and then just used a cheap banner that I got from the Target dollar spot like, I don't know, a year or 2 ago. And then I got these little bats that were also featured in my fall decorate with me, and you got like 15 of them for like 98 cents at Walmart. And then I just put her books that kind of just looked fall colored, and then she got these books as gifts, which are so sweet. But I hear her in the background. I need to go get her, but just wanted to show that real quick.
this is where my heart is. Oh, ooh. magic places in the world I've been to. This is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby, you got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I am not so
2
sure
hours
you
later.
believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Oh, everything makes total sense when you're next to, when you're next to, when you're next to me.
guys, I'm all done. It's several hours later, but cleaned up everything I wanted to in bits and pieces between Ellie's naps, and we went for a little walk, and I still have her pack and play out here. This is the first time we tried playing in the pack and play during the day, and it actually worked out pretty good. It worked out well for me, like vacuuming and just keeping her contained for a couple of minutes. And then, as you saw, I have a big play mat that I take out and we play on the ground, but I didn't get to folding her laundry yet. I'm gonna do that tonight while we watch TV. And yeah, here's our bedroom. I'm just washing our comforter, so hopefully that dries before we go to bed tonight. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I feel like it actually doesn't look super clean in here. It kind of looks a little cluttered, but this is our everyday life. So, yep, here's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like content like this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!